I don't know why they don't like him, but they don't. I don't know what to say. Kind of a strange feeding this morning. We have all types of birds here, but they're all very nervous. Could be something happened this morning. We just don't know. People up early with the change in time, changing their clocks. We don't know. Papa, can I have the
It's
bag?
in the big bag in the back.
Did Charlie come down?
No.
Strange, right?
Yeah. I guess he's got enough stuff stashed around. He's okay.
Or he, well, first of all, they're very nervous. Look at this, what I found on this field. A giant bolt.
Fell off one of the machines.
Yeah.
That belongs to the farmer.
Or, no, because it was too close to the edge.
Then it may be some construction thing.
Yeah, construction thing. But I'll take it off the field.
Okay.
It's not good for the field. Okay, let's throw this down. And the rest of them.
At the moment, I don't know. They're standing.
There's Stanley. Stanley's still there. Now we got some seagulls. But the hawk is still circling. We got Stanley. We'll throw some stuff here. The police. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. We can get a nice view right here.
The crows are retaking their homeland.
Yes, they are. There's our little crows, but where Charlie is, I don't know. There's just, we don't see him here today. But there's plenty of food for them. So, I'm going to finish this video because I want them to eat in peace. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader wishing you a very, very wonderful Sunday and wonderful weekend. We'll see you later. Bye.